So there's one thing I forgot to explain in the last video, which I want to do before I put this thing to bed for the summer. And that is what when I this abstract stuff, when I made an abstract class. So the idea of an abstract class is, you'll notice if you try, you can't, there's no constructor in here for bullet. You can't add anything from the bullet class onto your screen like you can with space actor. You can say a new space actor. See, you can't make a new actor either. So an actor is an abstract class. But you can put a new alien bullet. You can put a new, any of these other guys. So with abstract classes, you can't create actually anything from an abstract class. The idea is that you make subclasses from it. So it's really only something that you use to make subclasses from. And how I ended up making this abstract was that I want all the subclasses to be able to do this act stuff, move vertically, step size, check if they're out of bounds, and then do this. But this is out of bounds is going to be different for the different classes. So I thought it would be clearer to have each class implement is out of bounds in the way that works for its class. So if you remember, the alien bullet is out of bounds when it gets down to the bottom of the screen, but the shooter bullet is out of bounds when it gets to the top of the screen. So what I did was I said, okay, for bullet, I'm going to have this, I'm just going to declare this abstract method is out of bounds. And then whoever extends, whatever subclasses extend space actor, they're going to have to implement this is out of bounds. Okay, so so any subclass that I make here has to implement is out of bounds. And in fact, we'll get an error. I'm just cut this temporarily just to show you. If I didn't implement is out of bounds in alien bullet and tried to compile it, it would say, oh, alien bullet is not abstract and does not override the abstract method is out of bounds in bullet. So if I had made this an abstract class, that would have been okay, because I'm not going to implement anything. But I want to actually, implement. I want to actually extend bullet, and I want to be able to put alien bullets in the world. So I have to define is out of bounds, and I can't make it be an abstract thing. It has to actually have a body to it. Okay. And you'll notice also that for when you make an abstract, the way to declare an abstract method is you just need the method signature. And you do have a semicolon. This is one case where you have a semicolon, because notice there's no body. There's no opening and closing parentheses here. Okay. So that's what abstract classes are. Okay. And now you can go play with this. And like I said, if you want to play with this over the summer, that'd be great. But if it's still not making a whole lot of sense, I'll be making some more videos in the fall.